Argon, symbolized as R, is a fascinating element. It is one of the many elements that make up the periodic table, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. It has the atomic number 18, which means it has 18 protons in its nucleus. You can find it on the periodic table, nestled among the noble gases. It's one of the noble gases, a group of elements known for their lack of reactivity. These gases are known for being unreactive, which makes them incredibly useful in various applications where reactions are undesirable. Argon is colorless and odorless, making it invisible to the naked eye and undetectable by smell. It exists as a gas at room temperature, which is the state we most commonly encounter it in. Argon is all around us, even though we might not realize it. It makes up a small part of the air we breathe, approximately 0.93% of the Earth's atmosphere. Even though we can't see it or smell it, argon plays a big role in our lives, contributing to various processes and technologies, from everyday objects like light bulbs to cutting-edge technologies such as medical lasers and welding. Argon's unique properties make it incredibly useful. Let's dive deeper into the world of argon and explore what makes it so special, from its discovery to its wide range of applications in science and industry. Argon is a gas at room temperature, which means it exists in a gaseous state under normal conditions that we experience daily. This is because of its boiling point of -185.8 degrees Celsius, which is incredibly low compared to many other elements. Argon is denser than air, meaning it has a higher mass per unit volume. This means it will sink to the bottom of a container if it's not sealed, creating a layer of argon gas at the base. One of argon's most important properties is its inertness, which makes it non-reactive under most conditions. This means it doesn't easily react with other elements, making it a safe choice for various applications. This makes argon very stable and useful for many applications, such as in welding and in the production of light bulbs. Imagine trying to build something while everything around you is constantly changing, making it difficult to maintain stability. That's the challenge chemists face when working with reactive elements that can change properties quickly. But argon, with its steadfast inertness, provides a reliable solution, ensuring that experiments and industrial processes can proceed without unexpected reactions. Argon's unique properties make it incredibly useful in various industries. One of its most common uses is in welding. Argon creates a protective shield around the weld, preventing oxidation. Argon is also used in lighting. It fills incandescent light bulbs. This prevents the filament from burning too quickly. You can also find argon in neon signs where it creates a bright blue-violet glow. Argon helps preserve valuable artifacts and documents. Its inertness prevents degradation. Museums use argon to protect historical objects. Food packaging also utilizes argon to extend shelf life. Argon is a noble gas, and it exists naturally in the environment. It is the third most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere, making up about 0.93% of it. This inert gas is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, which makes it quite unique. It is non-toxic and doesn't pose any significant environmental hazards. Unlike other gases, argon does not react with other elements or compounds under normal conditions, making it very stable. This makes it a relatively safe gas to use. Its stability and non-reactive nature are why it is often used in environments where materials need to be protected from the air. However, some safety precautions are necessary when handling argon. Even though it is safe, it is important to follow proper handling procedures to avoid any potential risks. Because it is denser than air, it can displace oxygen in enclosed spaces. This displacement can create an environment where there is not enough oxygen to breathe. This can lead to asphyxiation. Therefore, it is crucial to monitor oxygen levels in areas where argon is used. Proper ventilation is crucial when working with argon. Ensuring that there is adequate airflow can prevent the buildup of argon and maintain safe oxygen levels. Argon is an abundant element, and its extraction and use have minimal environmental impact. The process of extracting argon from the air is efficient and does not produce harmful byproducts. It's a sustainable choice for various applications. From welding to preserving historical documents, argon's versatility is unmatched. As we strive for greener technologies, argon emerges as a responsible and versatile option. Its role in renewable energy and eco-friendly technologies highlights its importance in our journey towards sustainability.